Hi, welcome back to my Jamboree vlogs. So I can't believe it's already been a year since I found out that I was going to the Jamboree. I can't believe it. I remember being told and thinking, oh, that's ages away, isn't it? It's never going to really come around. And I can't believe it's already been a year. And it's a day that I'll never forget because I actually broke my wrist on that day. So I ended up in a cast. Because I broke it in PE, so I had to go home early to go to the doctors to see if it was actually broken and what was wrong with it. So my mum picked us up early, and then actually my club leader worked at my school, so she was the one who let us go to school. And my mum told us when she was there, and she was like, "Oh, that's great." I was so happy as well. And then she went to go high five us, and she was like, "Oh wait, no," because it was literally broken as well. But it was such a weird day. It was so good and funny, and it's also great because I now know my unit name and I got given my unit badge. So this is what our badge looks like. It says Unit 30, County Durham, UK, World Scout Jamboree, North America 2019. So it looks like this, and our name is the Angels of the North, and it's written there. And then we've gone for T-Bear as the Angel of the North, but it's our little joke in our unit that he sort of looks like a waffle because the texture thing on there, so it's quite funny. And it's been such a great year as well, getting to meet everyone. Everyone's really nice and making new friends there and everything, and getting to go on the unit camps, which have been great, and meeting up with everybody, and then also get to go on this morning and meet Gordon Ramsay and Philip Schofield, which was absolutely amazing. I can't believe it, and I hope that everyone has had a great year as well, because mine's been amazing, and I still can't believe how much money I've actually managed to raise. I would have dreamed that I would have been able to raise that much. So it's been such a great year and everything. I would love to know what you've been getting up to with your unit. So if you could comment down below, or if you want, you could even send in videos for my Pops quiz video. That would be amazing as well. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and join me next time when I'll be back with more Jamboree vlogs. Bye!